Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining me once again. I do appreciate you. So, you're riding your bike. Everything is great. It's wonderful weather. You're loving it. This is awesome. What could possibly go wrong? Well, several things can go wrong, but if you own a Victory, especially a Magnum or cross country, you'll understand that there's a lot of heat that comes from the pipes, and it cooks your legs and those special parts for us gentlemen. So we have to do things to help mitigate the heat. So because I am pretty fed up with having my lower parts barbecued for fun, I decided that I would do something just a little bit different. So I hopped on to the interwebs and I found myself a Victory engine heat guard. It looks like it's a piece of material. It's made of leather. You just unbolt your seat. You use the two bolts that are on the sides of your tank to bolt it down. It has a little Velcro strap in the middle. You put it on, put your seat back on and your side covers. And after a good ride I had today, no heat. I am surprised that this worked as well as it did. It has tendency to push the heat away from your upper thigh, inner thighs, and your special parts, guys. So if you want to find this item, you can. I've seen it on eBay is where I got it from. I'll make sure and put a link in the description, and so you can get this yourself if you need so. But I think it's a pretty good product. It helped me quite a bit. I no longer have the roasted weenie or lower nether regions anymore, so that makes me pretty happy. So if you're interested in getting this, once again, links in the description where you can buy this. Happy riding. You guys be safe out there and do your best to stay cool.